Well, it's Easter Sunday, about 10 o'clock or so, getting all these plants outside. Here's a whole lot of tomatoes, bunch of peppers, got some eggplants. Here's more tomatoes. I get 20 in each one of these trays. Here's some more tomatoes and some peppers. Can you tell that I'm kind of like tomatoes and peppers? Then we're going to come around here on the green stalk. We've harvested almost everything off of this one. There's a little bit of stuff still growing. It has been phenomenal providing us with lettuce through the winter. And then we come over here and there's some tomatoes, some kind of flowers. There's some lettuce that's going to go on the green stalks. There's some more smaller peppers, a little bit bigger peppers. I've got moringas, dahlias, borage, dill, more tomatoes and peppers, more borage, a lot more dill. Those are from seeds from 2019. It's 2024, 5-year-old seed, came up just fine. There's celosias from seed, Chinese cabbage, some more peppers, some eggplant that are really taking off, another moringa there to kind of separate it. But this is the monstrosities that I have ready for the garden. And if you think the tomatoes and the peppers are out of control, I actually have a Google spreadsheet where I list each variety. On the tomatoes, we like the little cherry tomatoes, we like the yellow cherry tomatoes, we like the little 1-inch size tomatoes. We'll need the Roma type for putting back for freezing for the winter. And then we like the ones that you put in salads and sandwiches. So that's like 6 kinds of tomatoes right off the bat. Then you do 2 or 3 varieties and a couple of plants, and first thing you know, you got 50 tomato plants, which I've got covered. Hard to believe there's more things inside that aren't big enough to bring out. But they'll be part of the second round. So it's our last frost date is supposed to be this coming week. Of course, we also have 3 days that are look like they're going to be in the 30s. So looks like the frost date's going to get pushed. I'm more of an April 15th person, somewhere around in there. Once we get to the end of the cold period next week, I'll be watching the long-range forecast very strongly to come up with when I can start getting these things in the ground. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Here's the summer garden sitting here waiting for warmer weather, and they look like, despite how hard it is taking them all in and out, they're going to be just about the perfect size when it gets big time for planting. Tomatoes get planted deeper so they won't be that big, and the peppers just look outstanding. So we'll keep you appraised as things move along.